Welcome to AutoMatrix, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're unleashing the beast and diving into the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, a car that takes muscle to a whole new level. The Hellcat has always been synonymous with raw power, and Dodge has made sure the 2025 model lives up to its legendary name. This year, the Challenger Hellcat not only packs more punch, but also brings a host of modern upgrades while staying true to its muscle car heritage. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat features a retuned 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine. Dodge has cranked up the power to an eye-watering 807 horsepower, with a staggering 707 lp-ft of torque. Whether you're burning rubber on the drag strip or cruising the highway, this car guarantees an adrenaline rush. Dodge has also refined the Hellcat's performance with a new electronic limited-slip differential and upgraded suspension for better handling. Combined with launch control and wide-body options, this car offers track-level precision without compromising on straight-line thrills. The exterior design of the 2025 Challenger Hellcat stays true to its aggressive roots. The menacing front grille, massive hood scoop, and flared fenders scream performance. For 2025, Dodge has introduced new color options, including a fiery metallic orange and a bold midnight blue, ensuring the Hellcat turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that combines retro vibes with modern tech. Premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber accents elevate the interior, while the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and updated Uconnect system provide all the information and connectivity you need. With a new Harman Kardon sound system and ventilated seats, this beast doesn't skimp on comfort either. Safety and practicality haven't been forgotten. Dodge has equipped the 2025 Hellcat with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning systems. For a car this powerful, these features ensure you're in complete control. Dodge has announced that the 2025 Hellcat will be one of the last gas-powered models before they transition to electrified performance. This makes it not just a car, but a symbol of an era coming to an end. With limited production numbers, the 2025 Hellcat is destined to be a collector's dream. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a tribute to the glory days of American muscle, with enough modern tech and performance to leave its competition in the dust. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of history with the power to back it up, this is your chance. Thanks for watching AutoMatrix. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the most exciting cars on the market. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Hellcat for a spin? See you next time.